Title: Dill, Digestive Elixir and Culinary Treasure. Introduction. Dill is scientifically known as Anethum graveolens, is an herb with many uses that has been utilized for a long time across many culinary styles around the world. Its distinctive scent and a delicious taste it not only improves the flavor of food items but also provides a variety of advantages for health. In this post we'll explore the background, history of culinary use as well as the medicinal benefits of dill. We will also highlight its importance as an elixir for digestion and as a food treasure. 1. Historical significance. Dill is a plant with a long tradition that dates back to Greek as well as Roman time, when it was widely regarded as having its therapeutic qualities. The term dill is derived from the Norse word dilla, meaning to calm or soothe, which demonstrates the traditional usage of this tranquil herb. It is believed that the Egyptians utilized dill for the ancient ceremonies, and it was believed by the Romans considered that the use of dill would increase wealth and improve prosperity. Through time it has been linked with numerous folktales and customs and has been associated with its importance for both medicinal and culinary rituals. 2. Culinary uses. Dill is a fundamental component of many cuisines that are traditional that include Scandinavian, Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean. Fresh leaves, often called dill weed, is a popular ingredient for cooking. The distinctive taste profile of dill provides a fresh and tart flavor to food, which makes it a great option for marinades, salad soups, dips, and salads. Additionally, the seeds of dill and essential oils are utilized as flavoring agents in bread, pickles, seafood, and meat recipes. Dill's versatility in cooking is the reason it's an absolute treasure within the realm of herbs and spices. 3. Nutritional profile. In addition to its culinary benefits, dill is recognized as a nutritional food. It's rich in vitamin A and C and important minerals like iron, calcium, and manganese. Dill leaves are lower in calories and rich in fiber content, which makes it a great supplement to your diet. Additionally, dill is a rich source of advantageous compounds, including monoterpenes and flavonoids, both of which are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. 4. Digestive elixir. One of the most notable properties of dill is its capacity to aid digestion and ease digestion-related discomfort. In the past, dill was utilized to aid digestion because of its carminative qualities, which means it can help reduce gas and constipation. Dill is a source of compounds, such as anethum, that can relax the muscles in the digestive tract and promote healthful digestion. Drinking remedies infused with dill or adding the dill in your diet could aid in reducing flatulence, indigestion, as well as other digestion issues. 5. Medicinal properties. Alongside the benefits it offers to digestion, it also has a variety of medicinal qualities. The antimicrobial and antibacterial properties help in the treatment of different infections, as well as preventing development of dangerous bacteria. Dill is believed to have diuretic qualities which aid in the removal of toxic substances from the body. Additionally, the dill extracts are being studied to determine their anti-cancer potential and anti-inflammatory properties that can improve general health and well-being. 6. Preparation and storage. In order to maximize the taste and aroma of dill, it's important to understand how to prepare it properly and keep it in a safe place. Fresh dill is able to be utilized right away, and dried leaves and seeds may be kept in airtight jars out of the sun for a longer time. Also, freezing the leaves of dill in ice cubes, or even preserving the leaves in vinegar, will help keep their freshness indefinitely for usage. Making use of fresh dill in its purest shape ensures its taste and nutrients are retained. Conclusion. Dill is a renowned herb with a rich background, culinary variety, as well as medicinal qualities, is well deserved as an elixir for digestion and a food precious. It can be used as a flavor enhancement in various meals or as a natural cure to treat digestive problems. Dill is a remarkable blend of flavor and health advantages. Therefore, next time you encounter this fragrant plant, make sure you take note of its unique taste and discover the benefits it could add to your cooking as well as overall health.